hair care and good style are one and the same. Like with this No-Sew Braided Headband. It's a great conversation starter because you made it yourself. Here's what you'll need to get going. Old t-shirts that your parents are okay with you cutting up, elastic ponytail holders, fabric glue, and scissors, but make sure you get permission from your parents first. First, cut 1-inch strips from the t-shirt. Make sure they're long enough to go around your entire head. Then pull the strips on either side to make a tube shape. Tie the 3 fabric tubes together in a ponytail holder. Place the ponytail holder on a doorknob, then braid the 3 fabric tubes. Keep it going until you have the length that you want for your headband. Tie the ends of the braid to the other side of the ponytail holder and trim any extra material. Finish off the ends of each braid by gluing a small piece of fabric around the ends. And don't forget to let the glue dry overnight before putting it in your hair. Now you have your very own No-Sew Braided Headband to give your hair the care it deserves. Use the comment section to tell us how you'll style your headband, and make sure to check out our other videos to learn more.